Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can group a date and how we can take benefit out of the date grouping. So this is a small sample data of order. In the second last column we have an order date, and this order date contain 5 years information, 2011 to 2015 are different transaction dates, and we have a total. Now requirement is that we need to create a report which show me for all the 5 years, year wise, quarter wise, month wise total sale, so that we can analyze properly that data. So how we can proceed? We can go to insert a pivot, create a new sheet. Okay, we'll get this data. Now we'll take the total into the value and order date into the rows. So if you are working with 2016 and above, you will get an automatically grouping of date, as you can see in this video. But if you are working with the lesser version, you will get an ungrouped data like this. So if you have that, that's perfectly fine. If you have an ungrouped data, so you click on any of the date, right click on that, then there is a group option. When you click on the group option, you can see we have all the grouping option available, which is in the format of date and time also, if your data contain time. So in my case the requirement is year, quarter and month. So I click on year, quarter, month is already selected, and I click on OK. You will get that year, quarter and month that is coming in this format. You can see in the row all the three information are here. You can easily drag this year to the column and layout will get changed for you. So it's an year wise, quarter wise, month wise breakup of the sales, which you can see here, and which makes you enable to analyze the data very easily. Thank you so much for this video. Keep watching, keep learning.